Am I the only one that didn't know gut health could change everything? Let's dive into 6 tips that'll boost your gut and your life. Your gut is the gateway to better health. Tip 1. Prioritize organic foods. They're less likely to disturb your gut microbiome. Tip 2. Say goodbye to processed foods. They spark inflammation. Opt for real whole foods instead. Tip 3. Fermented foods are your friends. Sauerkraut, kimchi and yogurt are packed with good bacteria. Tip 4. Take probiotics daily to support your gut. They can ease digestive woes and even lift your mood. Tip 5. Stress less. Relaxation practices like meditation can work wonders for your gut. Lastly, tip 6. Get moving. Regular exercise boosts gut diversity and reduces stress. Improving your gut health is easier than you think. Try these tips and feel the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more health hacks.